My brother and sister-in-law just had their second baby. So she
probably has been in the past.
Oh, Baba! Specifically, I've been loving these rings and I've been getting questions on this. What does it remind you of?
Oh yeah, we made it.
Starting off today's vlog with a little fun shopping adventure with Carrie. This morning we are gonna go check out a vintage market. They have them once a month in the Twin Cities. I think sometimes they're in St. Paul, sometimes they're in Minneapolis, it just depends. But she went last month with some friends and said it was really good. I was out of town, so this month we're gonna go check it out, hopefully find some good finds. We are going on a big girls trip at the end of this month, so I'm hoping to find some stuff that I can pack for that trip. We're gonna get some food, get some drinks. It's gonna be a fun little morning, afternoon. So let's go. We're having a lot of success. I just found this cute brown purse. I've got a whole bag of stuff. I'm gonna do a haul when we leave, eventually. Keep on set. I throw my cards on the table. I mean, what did you expect? I said I was able, but it's no easier to be alone. What does it remind you of?
Well, I don't think it's gonna be the same as you. One Tree Hill.
No. No, try again. One more time. I know you can read my mind on this. Please. Please. Water drain.
Oh, aquamarine.
No. Girl. The water drain. The water gutter. She goes into the gutter. She puts it on over her shoulders.
Oh my god, now and then. She's down in the drain. Now and then. And she's running.
Okay, we had success.
So much success.
Ooh. Who are we gonna go see?
Didi.
Well, Didi, but who else? Auntie Katie?
Yeah.
My brother and sister-in-law just had their second baby. It's a boy, so we're here to meet your boy cousin.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Theo.
Change your ways or set me loose. Cold nights and cold days.
Perfect. Oh, bye-bye! Now, Mommy, you be...
Where I keep my money. One. Oops, I lost that one.
There you go.
I even get my money back?
Yeah.
I like your store. Okay. I like your store. It doesn't cost me anything.
Is it the voices in your head keeping you in bed? Run me off the road again. You're leaving me for dead. With every word you keep on said.
One. I'm going to get my nails done and you're coming with me. I found this girl Avery. Her business is called Gel Society. She's in Minnetonka, Minnesota if you're here. She did such a good job. This was my first set with her and it was so fun. We did just like a neutral color with like stars and gems. So I think I'm gonna go more fall vibes this time. And I think I want to try the tortoise, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna ask her, but you guys will see. I'll film the process. But yeah, I thought I'd take you along.
Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose.
Okay, this is what I'm going for. Do you want to say hi?
Endless pain, it's all.
I didn't know. These are the first 2 days. We got lucky. Probably has been in the past. All that for what? I just left. This is what they look like. We ended up going with tortoise and she did such a good job. I love them so much. They're like perfect for fall. We went like with a darker tortoise. I'm sitting down for this next part because we're gonna talk jewelry. If you've been following me for a while or you follow me on Instagram, you know that I love just a good everyday jewelry stack. I love gold. I love things that are just subtle, but like, I guess essentially perfect for every day. So I wanted to put you guys on a new jewelry brand that I recently discovered, and they have just such high quality pieces, and it's called Arate. And I absolutely love them. I've been wearing this stuff for well over a month now, and it's just such good quality. If you haven't heard of Arate, they have the absolute best everyday fine jewelry pieces, and they have so many different styles and pieces at all different price points, so I just feel like there's something for everybody. It's sustainable, female founded, and I've just been really loving all of their jewelry, so I want to share. Huge thank you to Arate for sponsoring this part of the video. Specifically, I've been loving these rings, and I've been getting questions on this because I've been getting my nails done and I've been sharing them, and a lot of you guys are asking me where my rings were from. And I've been wearing these for well over a month every single day. I even wore them in Greece swimming, and they have held up so well. I think my favorite thing about them is just that they're not too clunky and they're not heavy. They just feel really good on my hands. As you guys know, I wear my like wedding band and wedding ring every day, but to add other pieces that aren't too heavy and don't feel out of place has just been great, and I've loved it. On this hand, I have the Diamond X ring, and this one is the Infinity ring. And on this hand, this one is the White Sapphire Baguette Eternity ring. And then this one is the Rose Garden ring. Then let's talk about my necklaces. I love layering necklaces like this, and these are just so subtle and so easy for every day. So this one is the Rose Garden pendant. I like that it has like a little green gemstone next to it. I just think that's really pretty. It also matches the Rose Garden ring. And then this one is the Lioness chain necklace. If we're talking classic, just good staple pieces that you should have in your jewelry collection, we're talking tennis bracelets and tennis necklaces. These are just perfect layering pieces. This with a watch is just gonna be such a stunning stack on my arm, and I love that. So this is the White Sapphire tennis bracelet, and then this is the White Sapphire tennis necklace. This is one of their best sellers. It's called the Connection necklace. It's the most perfect layering piece ever because it's so subtle on your neck, and you can layer it with like a bunch of different necklaces that you have. And you know me and my gold hoop earrings. I wear gold hoop earrings pretty much every day, specifically around this size. These are medium chunky gold hoop earrings, and then these ones are the hinged ones. They're a little bit smaller, but again, really great to interchange for every day. My biggest thing is I don't want anything too heavy. I don't want anything pulling too much on my earlobes, and these are just perfect. I'm gonna have a link in the description box below that will take you to a landing page with all of my selects, so everything I talked about here and more. The link will also get you 35% off your order, no minimum spend or anything like that, so it's a super good deal. What are we gonna make?
Banana bread.
Banana bread! And we're gonna bring you along with us as we make this recipe. Who gave us this recipe?
Me.
We need to peel and put in these bananas. Perfect. Good job peeling that.
Smash, 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 smash.
Boop, perfect.
A butter and we smash the butter.
You don't need to smash the butter because the whisk is gonna do all of it for us, okay?
It's so awesome. Oh yeah, we made it. We made it. We made it.
Now we need to do, which I know you're really good at, the eggs. You're a pro, Theo. Please.
Okay.
You know what? I feel like we could add a bit more chocolate chips. What do you think?
Yeah, we do.
Do you want to add a bit more?
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
And a bit.
Yep, go ahead. We have successfully mixed the banana bread. So now it's gonna bake. I did not forget to show you guys what I got at the vintage market. I'm so excited to go to the next one, just because they had so many good things. So I have high hopes for the colder months. First up, I got 2 tops. This one I was really excited about. It kind of just looks like a plain button down, but it's like a satiny material. I saw something similar on Daniel Guzio, and that was obviously much more expensive. And so when I saw this, it was like 10 bucks, and it doesn't look like much, but it has a stitch down here that kind of accentuates your waist. It's just really pretty, and it's definitely a 90s style top that I was definitely looking for. This next one I spotted right away. I saw the Victoria's Secret tag, and finding these old Victoria's Secret clothing items are such a buried treasure in my opinion, because they can go for really expensive and they're all so beautiful. I got this for 20 bucks, and it's a lace top. I thought this would be perfect to layer for the fall. Also a good holiday piece as well. It's just really cute and pretty and dainty, and I saw it and I was like, yep, immediately yes. Next I got 2 jackets. This first one is suede, and honestly it's kind of generous calling this a jacket. It's more of a shacket, like a shirt that's a little bit heavier. So I'm gonna have to layer this when it gets colder, but for the earlier fall time, I just feel like it'll be good to just throw on over something. But yeah, I just feel like this is such a staple in your fall wardrobe, so I definitely wanted to get something like this. Next I got a faux fur, and this I'm really excited about because I'm in Minnesota now and it gets really cold. I have a couple other faux furs, but this one is white or like a cream color, and I don't have one like this, so I thought this would be perfect for when it gets chillier. Also another really good holiday piece, so a lot of this stuff I felt like were really good transition pieces from fall to winter, and I just think it's really beautiful. And last but not least, I was so excited when I found this because I was on the hunt for a brown suede purse, and this one is just so dainty and little and cute. I have posted this a few times on my Instagram, and a few of you guys were asking me where it's from. The tag says Gap. I imagine it's old, but yeah, I thought I'd share that with you because obviously it's a known brand. But she's just so little and cute, and I saw this and I was like, yes, I think I got this for $15. So I felt like that was a pretty good deal. They had really good bags. When I go back, I am going to be on the hunt for more bags because I love little small ones, and in my opinion, like 90s, early 2000s shoulder bags were some of the best. So that's everything I got this time. I am going to link the vintage market that I went to for all of you Minnesota girlies. I am definitely gonna be at one of the future ones because they just have really good vendors there, and it's just curated really well. So I will have that down below for you if you wanna check it out. But I think I'm gonna end the video here. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.